Hi, I am Akash. I will be asking my classmates what's their good experience and how was the ISC in these 2 years. Come. No.
Sound of it.
Oh, starting with Sai Teja we have. We have the best man here. How was your experience, man?
एक्सपीरियंस बताइए इसी
Yeah. Best experience.
ये कॉन्फिडेंस तो आ गया है कि 2 साल वेस्ट नहीं गए
Okay.
कुछ काम को तो बना दिया मेरे ना
Who
ये
was the best people you have?
आकाश was the best.
This is a lie. This is a lie. We'll go to Ravi.
Very good experience.
Who was the best person you have?
Everyone is best person.
Yeah.
Mainly Jitesh and Akash is best person.
Okay.
And
Who is your favorite teacher?
teachers. I think everyone is good, but I pursue Subho sir as my guide, so everyone is nice.
Okay, now we'll go to the cameraman.
No, bro. I will come in end. At the end. Go.
How is the photo?
नहीं भाई
बताओ कौन था तुम्हारा सबसे बढ़िया मोमेंट?
जब मैंने अंकुर सर का लैब ज्वाइन किया
हाँ, choosing अंकुर सर was the best decision he had. Okay. और बेस्ट कोर्स वर्क किसका लगा?
कार्टिगन का डिफेक्शन मटेरियल
Okay.
It's like feeling like a space. That's my experience.
Best
How's the
coursework?
experience with DB sir?
Yes.
फटी तो फटी थी, ठीक है, डिग्री तो मिली थी. Okay, it's fine.
Okay, we'll go to now girls. Chandrika.
Ask about you.
Come, record them.
We have some questions about.
We have some questions. What was your best happy moment here? Focus.
I have to think.
Okay. Do you
For
think
me,
you?
it's like going for a walk in IAC. That is the best.
Okay.
Yeah, I have. Nexus 24 was my 25 was very good.
In which sport you participate in?
Cricket,
sir?
badminton, TT.
1-1.
Have you won any of the sport in
Star
the
player.
In badminton, I got winners. Then cricket, runners. Then in tug of war also we winners.
Nice.
I tried caroms but I lost.
So best professor you met.
Myself.
What is his name?
Praveen, Professor
For
Praveen
audience.
C. Ramamurthy.
Yeah. Choose Praveen sir next time.
Yeah, he's very.
Okay. Now you.
I got silver medal in
In
art
which?
competition for Ambedkar Jayanti.
Okay.
And then
Best professor you.
sing. No, best professor Shubhadas Gupta. For
In
me.
coursework.
Course for Ankur sir.
Ankur sir was there. Come, Nani. We have our best person here, organizer. Okay.
मैं नहीं हूँ
Tell us your best experience here.
बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस अब तक का
Yes.
Roaming around in school.
with
Apart
मेरा
from
तो
girlfriend.
बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस रहा है 2 साल घूमना फिरना
पहले सेमेस्टर में ही हो गया था ना.
People with girlfriend say that.
हाँ, people with girlfriends.
मेरे पे बाद में आएंगे.
We have to hold
Yes.
my
Best professor you think?
बेस्ट प्रोफेसर
In course.
सुचंद्री माता
In course.
कोर्स वर्क आई थिंक
वो मैथ्स वाला तूने लिया ना फर्स्ट सेम में
हाँ नहीं वो नहीं बेस्ट एनएलए
NLA.
हाँ बेस्ट प्रोफेसर आई डोंट थिंक एनी प्रोफेसर
Oh God. Okay. Best in all of this.
हाँ बेस्ट ओवरऑल सुचंद्री मामा
Okay. Okay, we'll come to Arif. Arif sir.
अरे
Can
busy
I
है.
have your precious time here?
क्या बोलना है?
Now we will ask question. You like question?
हाँ.
Okay. So
So
your best moment in ISC. One best moment. Other than academic.
my best moment will be the very first day when I was sitting before the main building. So I didn't saw anything apart from main building in Google. That day I remember I was sitting there first time before like very prestigious institution. So that day I will remember because very first moment. So it was very good moment. So,
Best professor means best coursework you
best
like.
professor क्या होता है यार?
नहीं coursework you like.
coursework.
Yeah, means we had coursework ना. Who's you like? I want to know actually. Survey.
अरे साई सर का मेरे को अच्छा लगता
Yeah.
है यार. ये तो सबको अपोजिट लगेगा क्योंकि सबको बहुत वीर लगेगा कि साई सर का किसको क्यों अच्छा लगता है. ये तो साई सर का बहुत सुनाता है पर ही विल बी टीचिंग वेरी गुड. हिज टीचिंग मेथोडोलॉजी इज वेरी गुड.
Okay, thank you Arif. Come. They coming to now Layatmika. Your best moment. You are a very good singer.
Oh, thank you. My best moments are all with Tanushri.
Okay, focus on her. Next.
हम ऐसे घूमने चले जाते थे रात को बाहर घूमते थे ऐसे
Yeah,
वो सब भी
we know this tree triplet.
हाँ हम जाते
Yeah.
रात को थोड़ा और लैब में भी बहुत अच्छा रहा है. संदेश इज अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड और
संदेश
अच्छा
focus,
लैबमेट है.
yeah.
वो बहुत हेल्प किया है मुझे काम में भी. And अच्छा ही था. मेरा ओवरऑल जर्नी वाज स्मूथ.
Okay, nice. Come. Anushri. Hi, best moment.
वही सेम लकी के साथ बाहर.
Yeah, this question will be same. Answers will be same. Okay. Any
What about the
professor-
personal experience about that?
Any person without triplet?
अच्छा मतलब तेरा इंडिविजुअल नहीं
No. Nothing without friends. Okay, any best coursework? Which coursework you like most?
साइंस
Apart from
साइंस
sciences.
why
Because he is your guide.
no it is actually
Okay, this is it.
yeah
Second best?
second best I guess structure
not look at
Rajiv.
नहीं but last time
Come. Thank you. Itishri.
hi
Okay, hi. Best moment same? Other than
like for me best moment was in the lab only because for entire second year I spent in the lab so most of the I used to go to hostel only to sleep and for
now you know who will get the best thesis award.
no it's not about best thesis. It is not it is not about best thesis.
Okay.
But yeah in the lab only with lab mates with them to like from the beginning but after second year it was in the lab mostly in the first lab.
Any professors coursework you like most?
Surendra sir.
Surendra sir. Okay, who's remaining? My nani bro. Come.
What do you want to know about him?
You tell anything you want to tell.
Everything is good here from the beginning, and you know the most thing I like here is the freedom. We don't need to go to classes. No need
It
to
is
go
a
to
false.
labs.
Yeah, this is a false. You should not.
You know,
You have freedom, but you need to go.
yes, need to go. The better thing is from the beginning. It is not working.
हाँ हम सुन रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Go a little back.
Yeah.
The better thing is friends. And from the beginning itself, I used to study with those people. They only helped me to study all the things. It is not working.
वीडियो लंबा हो रहा है
But you
जल्दी.
should. Okay.
Yeah. Apart from that, you asked about best course. You know, the best teacher I feel is Praveen Kumar sir, who teach mechanical behavior.
Yeah.
We feel good while he's teaching, but he teaches long. He'll take long classes. That is not a bit easy to sit in the class. Thank you.
Hold this. I'll ask Jitesh now. Come on. Our cameraman.
Jitesh.
बताओ. Same thing.
like I will
Ask
call
me
you
question.
Best moment you had.
Best moment in ICS.
Best top tier.
वो आने वाला है अभी मेरे को जब डिग्री मिलेगा जिस दिन मेरे को डिग्री
Okay,
मिलेगा वो
till
ICS
now.
का बेस्ट डे है.
Okay. Second best till now.
सेकंड बेस्ट इज जिस दिन मैं मेरा मेन मोटिव था मेरे को रिसर्च करना है वो भी आउटसाइड इंडिया. जिस दिन मेरे को रिसर्च का ऑफर आया वो मेरा बेस्ट डे था.
Okay. And your best coursework. Best teacher.
अंकुर सर कोर्स वर्क माइक्रोस्ट्रक्चर इंजीनियरिंग
Sugandhi is here
Anything else audience want to know?
और बेस्ट पीपल बेस्ट पीपल
Say my name, bro.
Ravi
Cameraman.
is the best people. And another one who is not there,
Aryan.
that Aryan Rawat.
Yeah, it is. He's good.
He is the best friend as of now. Also.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Those, thank you. We'll remember this.
Okay.
What about he is over?
No, I'm done.
Then we are done.
We are done with.
Ask me
bro.
question.
So what is your best moment in IC, bro?
Best moment was my first semester
Yes.
when we all used to study together. We used to go for the mess together.
Okay.
This was like best moment I
What
had.
is best experience in lab or
Yeah.
courseworks?
In best coursework I liked in other departments since there is a course of Pawan Nukala sir. It was like best. He taught very nicely.
Okay.
Other than in labs, I like my professor. He gives me so much freedom to do anything. He gave me best project. I am liking.
Who's the best person you found in IC?
Yeah, there I will not say the first name. Second name is
My
all
first
of my
name you tell, bro. We also want to
Okay.
know that what is the name of the first
I think
one.
the audience knows it. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye everyone.